I've been talking about how to help our kids adjust to their separation anxiety that may be stemming from a divorce or separation. This is a conversation that I had with my son that seemed to really resonate. I'm sharing it here in case it helps someone else. I think it's worth mentioning that what really helped as part of this exercise was that in one of his counseling sessions, we had him draw out, what does your anxiety look like? Part of that really helped to personify the anxiety and separate it as this is one part of you and this is how you think it looks like. It just makes it a little bit more tangible. So with that in mind, there's a movie we recently watched together called The Blue Beetle. It's a superhero movie where there's a blue beetle that has superpowers. Similar to Spider-Man, that blue beetle ends up finding a host, which is a young boy, and then attaches itself to him. This is not a spoiler because this exists in the trailer for the movie. In the beginning, the boy has a really hard time with the blue beetle. His powers are all out of whack and out of control. This is also shown in the trailer of the movie, so again, not a spoiler. So the conversation went something like this. You are a very special kind of child. You're highly sensitive and you're an empath. What that means is that you feel things more strongly than other people. And as we've been learning, your body goes into a fight or flight or even freeze state when you feel activated. It's trying to protect you because it's really important to it to help you survive. And your feelings are so strong sometimes that you can even feel other people's feelings without them telling you what those feelings are. Not everyone has that skill. It's a little bit like an extra power, like the blue beetle. But do you remember in the blue beetle, the boy felt really overwhelmed? In the beginning, he didn't know how to control his powers. Just like you don't know necessarily how to control your feelings and your powers, and you may feel a bit overwhelmed sometimes. And that is absolutely okay because we are going to work with you to try to figure out your blue beetle. Something clicked in that moment. The anxiety is still there, but at least we're starting to make progress in terms of compartmentalizing it that the anxiety is not you. Anxiety is a part of you. The anxiety is there to help you and to protect you. But maybe it's overreactive right now. Almost like inside that visor in your helmet, you're seeing all these red alerts, but it's a wiring problem because there isn't a saber-toothed tiger. No one is trying to hunt us down. Mommy and Daddy are still here loving you, and we are not going away. You are safe, you are loved, and we're going to figure this out together. I don't know if all this helps someone else out there, but just in case it does, I'm putting this out there. Love and light to you.